Hey guys, we're coming from the market yet again, and Adrian grabbed not a weird looking thing, but definitely not familiar for unfamiliar for us, and it was labeled the malangal leaf. And we did a quick Google search of malangal to see if there was like a translation or anything, because we did go to an Asian market and we didn't really find anything, but we're pretty sure it's called Moringa leaf. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna research and share what we find and show you what you can do with this thing, and we're gonna learn about it all together at the same time. And this is our third episode of What the F is this series, the Moringa leaf, or malangal, or enter text here.
Hey guys, Adrian from Adventures of Cartleyan with another episode of What the F is this series, episode 3, the Moringa leaf, or Moringa tree, also known as the drumstick or horseradish tree. Now it's making its way over to the States primarily in a powder form because of its superfood properties, for good reason, but you can also find it fresh at most Asian markets. The moringa tree is native to India, but also grows in Asia, Africa, and South America. So unsurprisingly, moringa leaf is very popular throughout those cuisines. Every part of the moringa plant is edible except for the stems. The fruit pods and leaves are the most popular parts, and the leaves are the most nutritious part. Rich in vitamins B and C, super beta carotene, iron, calcium, magnesium, and protein. According to a US manufacturer of a moringa supplement, moringa has more calcium than milk, more vitamin C than oranges, more potassium than bananas, and more vitamin A than carrots. When picking moringa leaves, look for the more younger, tender leaves, especially if you're going to use them raw. They have this really nice peppery, earthy flavor, a little bit like coriander. They also say it's a little spicy, but I think the younger leaves, at least the ones we've tasted, do not have much of a kick, especially when you're comparing it to horseradish. The moringa plant is a super powerful plant. The leaves can be made into a soap to wash your hands, and the seeds can be made into a cake to purify water. Now, there's not a lot of data, but there are warnings against overconsumption, risks with medication, and also those who are pregnant. So as always, consult your doctor first.
Alright, so handling the moringa leaf is really easy. All you have to do is wash it and then take it off of the stem. You can use it raw, you can use it cooked, you can use it however you want, in a tea, in a powder, and blah blah blah. So yes. That's it. The moringa leaf is very popular in Indian dishes. It's in a lot of dishes in like Southeast Asian cuisine. Honestly, my dad made like a mung bean stew the other day, and he put some moringa leaves in there, and I was like kind of freaking out because I thought he took the moringa leaves that we bought. But he didn't, and he just educated me a little bit, saying that you've been eating this your whole life, Carlitos, and you didn't even know it. So I've been eating a mung bean stew with moringa leaves for many years, and it's a superfood. It's great for me, and that's why I keep this very nice figure. It's very good for you, lots of benefits. You see my skin? It's very nice. Moringa leaf, that's the one. Anyway, so the things we'll be making today are a moringa leaf tea, just so you can boost your energy in the morning. It's good for weight loss and blah blah blah. And also we're gonna make a moringa Chinese pancake, so kind of like a green onion pancake, just with some moringa leaves, because it's good for you. So yeah, let's step into the kitchen, let's get this going, and voiceover starts now. To make moringa green onion pancakes, all we're gonna do is chop up our greens, which is green onions and moringa leaves, combine our flour and boiling water to make a warm water dough. There's this whole discussion about warm water and cold water dough, but we'll save that for another video. But for now, you're gonna knead this until it's nice and smooth, and then let it rest for 30 minutes or overnight. It really depends on when you need this pancake. When you're ready to work with the dough, you're gonna lightly flour your working surface. You're gonna split this into quarters and then roll it up, smash it, roll it out like a pancake, spread some oil right on top, roll it like a cigar, then roll it again like a cinnabon, pinch the end, smash it down, and repeat those steps all the way until the spreading of the oil. Sprinkle your salt, your moringa leaves, your green onions, roll it up like a cigar and a cinnabon again, smash it and form your pancake. Then now you're ready to finally cook. Heat a pan to medium-high heat, cook it on both sides, get a nice color, cut it up, serve it with a sauce, and there you have it. You can even serve it with moringa leaf tea. Just get your water ready, fill up some tea filter bags with your favorite green tea and moringa leaves, pour your hot water right on top, and steep it until your desired flavor. We recommend 3 to 5 minutes. You can sweeten it with a little bit of honey, but there you go, you've got a moringa meal. All of our recipes are on our blog, link in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and we'll see you on the next. Bye.